Welcome back, guys, to another video of Forex Beginner's Guide, video 109. We're going to talk about market opening times. So, Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This continuing trading cycle is made possible because different financial centers around the world are open at different times due to global nature of Forex trading. The opening time refers to the beginning of each new trading day in a particular region, starting with Sydney session, moving across to the globe of to Tokyo, London, and New York. Since the market operates 24 hours, 5 days a week, there are specific trading hours for each region. These market hours are important to understand because they influence the level of market activity and volatility in different trading sessions. So there's four sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. The opening times. So Sydney session opens based on the time difference, as in summer and winter. There's a few hour difference. It opens 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. at night, UK time, London time till 7 to 8 a.m. Tokyo opens at 1 to 2 a.m. at night and stays up till 10 to 11 a.m. The next morning. London, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. The session opens, and it's usually open till 3 to 4 p.m. New York, 1 p.m. till 10 p.m. or sometimes 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's the market opening hours for each and every single session. Forex market sessions. Sydney session. The first major market to open is Sydney. It opens at 10 to 11 p.m. GMT time. This session is relatively quieter than other because the market is just beginning to open. Then the second session is Tokyo session. It opens at 1 to 2 a.m. GMT time. The Asia session is considered one of the quieter trading periods, but there's still significant movements, especially in currencies pairs involving Japanese yen like JPY. London session is considered the most active and volatile time, opening at 7 to 8 a.m. GMT. It's also the largest Forex trading center globally. So the London session sees a high volume of trades, especially in currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and XAU USD. The fourth session is the New York session. New York session opens at about 12 to 1 p.m. GMT. It overlaps with London session, which is why this period has the highest trading volume and volatility. The New York session is crucial for trading pairs like USD JPY, GBP USD, and XAU USD, which is also known as gold. Why is market opening time important in XAU USD trading? So there's first point, increased liquidity. During the opening of major session, the market becomes more liquid, meaning there are more buyers and sellers in the market. This liquidity creates more opportunities for traders and generally reduces the spread for everyone. The second point, higher volatility. Volatility refers to price fluctuations in the market. The opening of major markets like London and New York brings increased volatility, which can create both opportunities and risks for XAU USD, which is also known as gold, which brings high volatility and can lead to quick price movements, offering the potential for profit, but also a higher risk. For next point, excuse me, guys. Trading strategy timing. Understanding market. Opening times allows you to plan your trading strategy. For example, if you're trading XAU USD, you might prefer to trade during London session or New York session, as these times provide more significant price action and better opportunities for profit. Overlap session. London, New York session overlap from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. GMT is considered the most active and volatile time in the Forex market. It's ideal for traders who want to take advantage of high volatility and trading volume. Now, example of XAUUSD trading during market opening. Let's say you are a trader who prefers to trade XAUUSD. If you're trading during the New York session, which opens at 12 to 1 p.m. GMT, you might see large price swings as London session is also active. If gold is moving upward, you may enter a buy trade, taking advantage of high volume and volatility. However, during the Sydney session, the market is just opening. You may notice that XAUUSD chart is moving slower with less volatility. This may be a time when you want to focus on watching the market and waiting for better condition to enter a trade. That was all about the different sessions, guys. I hope this video made sense. If you haven't watched the other videos, I will highly recommend you to watch that and gain more knowledge and experience in this industry. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy this education.